Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're in the world. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another Jasmy update. We want to take a look at the price set. As we always do, this is the first video of the week. There was no video yesterday simply because I just wanted to give the chart again ample time to play out so that we can have the best of analysis with minimum error, right? It's really important. So we'll continue from where we left. But before we continue with this video, I just want to kindly ask you to help me spread this video by delicately tapping that like button. It really helps with the YouTube algorithm. People looking for Jasmy content will now be able to find this video much more easily. Also, if you haven't subscribed to the channel just yet, I would encourage you to do so really, because I do TA on Jasmy on a regular basis. And without me running my mouth too much, let me actually get into the real stuff. So if you remember from the last update that we had, we were looking for an ABC correction to form up right here on the Jasmy price set, and that's exactly what we got. So I'm not going to delete everything that you see on the screen right here, because I mean the Jasmy price set is behaving like it's following exactly those lines. So I mean, for the best of luck, right, and for the best case scenario, let's just leave it as it is so that the Jasmy prices may trace into these ones. I'm just joking, obviously. So we were saying that the grand perspective that we have right here is from the very bottom, that the Jasmy price set came up in a 1 2 3 4 5, and now we are actually working on the fifth wave to the upside. Now the thing is, every major wave that you see to the upside right here also has got minor waves within itself, right? So this is exactly what we are trying to figure out, because it will be too late to try and figure out the bigger moves, obviously. So we're looking at the minor waves right here and we're following them in real time actually. So that's what you see here on the screen. And to be honest, the Jasmy price set has actually been acting like a boss, right? I mean, it has been following these things like very closely. So from the very bottom right here, we are looking at the minor waves right here. But let me just go ahead and try to, show you the grander perspective right here. So this would be your wave 1, right, with 5 impulse waves, and then a corrective wave. That's your wave 2, that's your wave 3 right here, with another 5 impulse wave to the upside, and ABC correction coming up with your third wave right here. And then finally we are working on our fifth wave. And the thing is, like, when we now take a look at the smaller minor waves that we have here, you can see that after the ABC correction that we anticipated right here, we actually got that bounce from where we wanted it. We also came up with a 1 2 3 4 5 to the upside ABC correction. This is the latest that we have had. This is the ABC correction that I was anticipating to play out over the weekend, and exactly as we anticipated, we actually had that ABC correction here. So what we are now expecting for this week is, a 1 2 3 4 5. We are expecting 5 impulse waves to the upside, so meaning that the Jasmy price set will be in a net uptrend in this week, right? This is just my own opinion, it's still not financial advice, but ideally, looking at it from an Elliott wave count perspective, this is what you expect to see. As I was saying, we're working on the fifth wave, and this is the 1 2 3 4 5 that we are looking for, right? Obviously under that 1 2 3 4 5 also we've got minor waves. This is exactly where we are with the Jasmy price set. We said 1 2 3 4 5 to the upside, ABC correction. So that ABC correction is already formed. Now we're looking for another 1 2 3 4 5 to the upside in this week right here. So that's your 1 2 3 4 5 to the upside, and then after that you're expecting another ABC correction to come up, and then finally you've got 1 2 3 4 5 to the upside, and then the final move is done right here. Now I said this has been optimistic since we've got major resistance at $0.008 per Jasmy, and then the upper resistance is something like $0.0084. That's okay. Now if the fifth wave is actually to come right and perform exactly as we want it, we would actually break above that level, and that level is so significant in my own opinion that once we break above that level, we could actually kickstart a bull market for the Jasmy price set, right? Now I have also shown you this falling wedge. I'm not going to do that in today's video because it has become boring, but it's the thing that we are looking for. We've got price targets of as high as 4.5 cents, as high as 11 cents or something like that. That's good. But in the immediate short term, the main resistance that we're trying to fight is this resistance that we have right here. If you remember, this was major resistance even dating back as far as September 2022, and it was only 5 months later that we actually got back to this level. So breaking above these levels is actually something that is really positive. On a daily time frame though, we are looking at the the moving averages. I took a look at the 200 moving average and the 100 moving average, and you can see that we almost have got a cross happening there. Not been quite well, but I mean, we are expecting it in the next 2 weeks or something like that to happen. So these are the things that I see on the Jasmy price that in the immediate short term. We are still monitoring our Elliott wave counts right here. We are still expecting some push to the upside, breaking above $0.0084 up to $0.0084 dollars per Jasmy. So these are our major price targets that we're looking for in the immediate short term. I had mentioned that I bought Jasmy at the support right here, and we actually pinpointed that bottom there. So we are up something like, you know, I would say 30%, because I took some profit off right here before the video that I made last week, but that was only because there was something that was unclear. Right now the Jasmy price that is looking much more clearer, right? Another thing that we could actually look at was the Bitcoin price set, but I'm not going to look at it in today's video to keep this video relatively short. So that's it from me, but this is just my own opinion, and I would encourage you or invite you to take this as financial advice. I would encourage you to do your own research. But if you like the video, don't forget to delicately tap the like button, share the video with your friends and family, and then I would hope to see you on the next one. Take care, bye.